right behind me on the ground is the zoning sign. And the good news is that this acreage, which is 11.64 acres on Brannon Road, was approved. It was approved for 5 lots. Brannon Road is in McDonough. It's on Brannon Road in between Campground Road and Highway 42. This is 11.6 acres. These lots turn out to be 5 acres, starting at 1.3 acres up to 3.9 acres. They're really fabulous. Zoning's approved, surveys recorded, seller's asking $375. You're welcome to grab your favorite agent, call in for a plat. My name is Kelly. I can be reached at 678-300-9090. All that's needed on this is a soil test. And if I can get out of this gentleman's way, I can stop recording. Public water, you'll put in septic tanks. It's a great road. They're great lots. You could build 450 up here. I hope you love it. I'll send you the plat and all the specs for the housing needs. Housing and building requirements per the county.